Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to craft the brick cat ornament in Heartopia. So right now at this modular street, there is a battle pass that you can unlock and craft many special furniture. One of them is this brick cat ornament. And to craft this brick-cat ornament, you can craft it after you get the recipe first. You can get this recipe from the battle pass level 43 like this. So just level it up your battle pass by collecting the festival points like this. And then after you get the recipe, just simply go to your workbench and then tap on craft, then tap on decorate, and then just use this brick-cat ornament like this. It's so cute. And then next, just complete all the materials that needed. You need quality timber, and then bronze, and then modular brick material pack. And then next, just tap on craft, and then just tap on hold to continue, and then wait for the process. And just like that, you will successfully making brick-cat ornament like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.